Rob at Next Truck Sales. This is our 2008 Mack Vision. It's an MP8 505 horsepower with 13-speed manual. I think it picked up a nail in the tire. It's got a soft front tire. Take a look at it here. Big fuel tanks, nice looking black truck. Paint is in pretty decent shape. If you look here, it did have a wet kit on it. There is the PTO is still on the back of the transmission. You can see it there. We got half decent Goodyear tires here. We've got, these are Toyos. These are virgin tires. They've got the Durabrite wheels on them so they don't corrode. We got full fenders on it. Have a look here. Dual stacks up the back. This customer retired, and that's the reason why he's getting rid of the truck. We've got Goodyear over here on the front. We've got more Toyos on the back. If you have a look here, give you a good wide angle shot. And I'm going to pop up the hood. There's some water in the headlights that probably need to be polished or replaced. This is a 12-year-old truck, so you got to expect it's not going to look completely new. Steer tires are low but passable. It's a 505. Have a look here, you'll see. Oh, my apologies, it's a 485. Air ride front suspension. Tires are low. Got a relatively new coolant reservoir. Needs some TLC. This truck is 12 years old, but it does run good. Oh, I gotta unlock the hood. Hang on a second. Give it a slam. Take you inside. It does need a couple of minor repairs. The power window switches are kind of falling out. You're gonna need to put some screws inside the door panel there. We haven't cleaned the truck. It does need to be cleaned. We'll get it cleaned up. It'll look awesome. Your PTO is there. And like I said, the lines are not hooked up, but the PTO is on the transmission. Let me get this thing started for you. Let that fire up. We've got power mirrors. We got an engine brake. All seems to be working. Can't seem to get the cruise to work. Not sure why. It looks like the customer had some meals in here, didn't clean it out, but we will get that cleaned up nicely. 2 beds. Fridge. He had it left on. Looks pretty clean. Not sure if it's working, but I'll get you a good look here. We'll get this cleaned up. It'll look awesome. All this garbage and stuff will be gone. We'll get the steam clean the carpets. It smells like a non-smoker truck. Doesn't smell bad at all. He had a CB wired, or CB antennas wired in here. This is a bit of a bird's nest, but I'll leave that the way that it is. 809 miles. And hopefully that'll get you close to what you're looking for. We'll talk soon on the phone. Bye.